bird flew into the water bowl, and he's trying to fly, but he keeps hitting his head on the ceiling. But if he goes over the neighbor's fence, then the dog will get him. Huh. But his feet work, and his wings work, and his appetite is good. I just don't know what I'm going to do with you. But you don't get a name. You don't get a name, and I don't know if you're a boy or girl. What am I going to do with you forever? Well, at least you like sitting in your water. Except that's not your water. You're a funny bird. You're really cracking me up. Messy bird, messy bird. Let's see you try to get out of there. You want to get out of there? You want to get out of there? Do you want to get on my finger? Do you want to bite me? Yes, he wants to bite me. He bit me again. He bit me again. He bit me again, and then he bit me again. And he bit me some more. He's pecking at me. Yeah, take a drink while you're in there. You're a dirty bird. You're taking a bath. I tricked you into taking a bath. No. Yep. You couldn't walk and you couldn't fly. Now he's just going somewhere. I don't know where. He doesn't know where either. But it's fun.